Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can pair Jaybird Run buds with your Android smartphone. So first of all, you have to open this charging case, remove both earbuds, then click and hold both buttons. Take a look for the indicators, they turn red. So right now release buttons and press one more time until indicators start blinking. Just like that. Next, put them close to your Android phone. Go to the Bluetooth settings, select pair new device. Right now select Jaybird Run from the list. We have to also accept the pairing request. It appears just right now on the screen. And the next step is to open the Play Store and get the Jaybird application. So with the app, we'll be able to use more features, like for example adjust sound equalizer or update firmware. So let's get for the Play Store and get this application. Right now open, select to connect buds, grant location access. As you can see, we are successfully connected. So when you previously connect your earbuds by using the standard Bluetooth settings on your phone, you don't have to enter the pairing mode on your application. As you can see, we can continue, or we can also skip by tapping in the right upper corner. As you can see, right now we are in the application, but for some reason it shows us that one of the earbuds is not connected, even when we can find that both indicators are turned on. So let's try to fix this problem right now. Click and hold for the both earbuds, and then click and hold another time to turn them on. Let's do this one more time. And then release the buttons. As you can see right now, we are successfully connected. So if you have this problem when one of the earbuds is not working, I can recommend you this simple process to restart them. That's all for this video. Hope you like it. Remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.